Okay, so on my C drive, which is this is my SSD. We have 930 gigabytes, so it's a 1 terabyte drive, right? The issue is that this is my Linux, the ext4, and for some reason I gave my Arch Linux 200 gigabytes of space, which I don't know why I did that. Very stupid. I mean, I'm trying to get the space back, but I can't move or resize it because I asked ChatGPT, even if when I installed Gparted on my Linux, on my Arch Linux, I couldn't even resize it. So I was like, how the heck do I resize this? So after a little bit of research, the only way I can resize this is by getting a separate boot, another system, another operating system on like a flash drive. I'm gonna plug it in and it's gonna be a live boot. So it's actually gonna have the entire installation of Linux on that boot, which I've never done before. So I'm gonna have an entire live boot, hopefully by the end of this, and it'll then let me partition this so I can get the 200 gigabytes back. I'm using mega space on my drive. I'm using mega, so I want that back. Amazon Basics USB stick right here. I'm pretty sure I have my Arch Linux disk on here. So I think it's best if I plug this in, clear it out. I'm gonna wipe the entire thing, and then we'll start with a brand new flash disk. Gonna be using Mini Tool Partition because this is like my favorite partition app. It's just clean. I love the HUD and everything. I mean, like the GUI. I'm wondering what happens if I do wipe after. We're gonna fill up with the zeros, and there we go. Now it's completely unformatted. There we go. So you gotta wipe it in order for it to be unformatted. I'm wondering if it should say unallocated. What operating system we want on here? It could be any. I'll probably delete it after. So Kali Linux would be cool, but it's really not. It's not necessary. I think we'll do Ubuntu. Yeah, let's do Ubuntu. Alright, finally we have the download. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on this. Go ahead and flash it out. Alright, so as we can see, the flash is completed. Okay, so I'm gonna boot into this using my BIOS, and then I'm gonna install Ubuntu on this. Alright, we're in. Install Ubuntu. That is the flash disk. Okay, after struggling with trying to install this, I'm pretty sure that Partition Wizard is only for Windows. That's why on my Arch Linux I had to do Gparted. So let's go ahead and do Gparted on here and see if that works instead. Oh wait, there's actually a command. That makes sense. And then boom, boom. We should have Gparted authentication when Gparted. Okay, let's see. So let's see if we can now resize it, which we should be able to. Finally. This took too long. 40, 50? Let's do 50. Let's do roughly 50. And then we're gonna resize it. Okay, so now we have allocated 264 gigabytes. So how do I get my my Windows to have now all this unallocated space? Oh wait, maybe if I use this merge extend. Let me see. If I just do extend, let's see. Okay, what am I looking at? Take free space. Oh yeah, this looks right. Take free space from here, bro. That's what I want. How much free space do you want to take? All of it. Yes. Okay, so the new size of C will be yes. That is exactly what I want to see. Okay, I think that's right. Let's click OK and see. So if I look, I don't see that, and we have 880 gigabytes. Now we need to apply this first. Okay, applied all the pattern changes successfully. Let's go. So we should be good. We should finally be chilling. Let's go ahead and give this a refresh and let's go. So now all my disks are proper. That didn't take that long. That's really good actually. Okay, so I'm happy with all my disks now. 50 gigabytes for Arch Linux, and then we have 80 gigabytes for Windows, and then plus another 930 gigabytes. Good.